And
Right,
let's
3,
do this.
2, 1. What? That's mental.
That's mental, Will. That is so crazy. He got enough.
120 metres down. Well, Dover Castle.
Let's do this, guys.
The well at Dover Castle is crazy deep. Zack started his interest in wells when we went to East Kent Railway. That day we didn't go to see a well, we went to see the Heritage Railway line and lots of different trains, but at the end of the day, the well was all he could talk about. It was his favourite thing there and he's not stopped going on about it since. This is the well at East Kent Railway.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God! Can we do that again? Go.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
I was looking up other wells in Kent, but most of them are inaccessible. I remember there was a really deep one at Dover Castle, so a few weeks and an English Heritage subscription later, here we are, finally at Dover Castle. We were told that the well was about 120 metres, but when you look online, that number really does vary. But it is definitely one of the deepest wells in the UK. Let's go down to the water table through the White Cliffs here at Dover. It's really cool that the well is inside the castle and inside the Great Tower itself. This is to ensure a clean supply of water no matter what was going on outside, whether the castle was under siege. They still had access to clean drinking water in medieval times. So yeah, this is where Zack stumbles across the well for the first time. He is going to love it. We gathered plenty of stones from outside, so yeah, here we go.
A massive well.
Is this it? Is this it? It is it! Oh my God!
Don't drop it down anything. Can I drop us one stone?
Right, put your hands in my pocket here. Ready? I've got this. I've got a big stone here. Ready? Steady. Did it hit? Did it hit already?
I don't know.
God, you can't even see the bottom.
Hello.
I'm scared just standing here. Right, I've got another big stone there. Ready?
Beep, beep.
Ready? Be quiet, ready? Steady. Shh, be quiet.
Oh my God.
Did you hear it? I didn't hear it.
That's deep.
That is really
Right,
deep.
ready? Should we do 2? Ready?
Let's do piles of stone like this. That looks really cool. It's
Right,
really
cool. Should we do a handful? Ready? Steady. 'Is that it? Is it that noise?
Yeah.
Like popping? That's mental. Don't make any sound. Ready? I do not want to drop my microphone down there, Jesus. Wow.
Jeez.
Right, last one.
And no more. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this, guys. 3, 2, 1. Have you got no
I think I
more?
might have some more.
Can I have it?
These are my last ones, okay? Here you go. Hold out your hand. Wait. I'll tell you when. Right, go. Go.
3 and 2, 1.
Right, listen. That's it. That's a long way down.
Hello.
Right, Zack. Don't want to drop my microphone down there.
Definitely
Oh,
no. That is definitely a no.
What I do want to drop down there.
I got big stones.
Quite a big stone. Ready? Whoa, it sounds like a drum, doesn't it?
I think there's a bass drum at the bottom.
Hey, take them out of my pocket.
Here in my pocket. Wait, how can
Right, drop a few. Alright, drop one. Right, got 3 or 4 there. Did you hear it?
Yes.
Okay, let's put another one down. Go on in. Should we count? Steady, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 seconds, free fall. That's crazy.
That is a long drop.
Ready? Let's do 2 more.
3, 2, 1.
Was that it?
Yeah, that was it. Let's do this. Let's do this drop. Let's do this, guys.
Got it.
3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was like counting it slower. We counted 6 seconds there, didn't we? Right, let's do a couple more.
Let's put the flash on and tell my phone.
Ready? Steady. Go.
Have we got another one?
Well, we got about 5 big stones there. Right. Wait a sec. I want to see them come out of your hands. 2 secs. 2 secs.
Let's do this big one.
Right.
And
1,
let's
3,
do this.
2, 1. That's mental.
That's mental, Will. That is so crazy. You got another one? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop!
That's crazy.
That is crazy. Let's see you can have just. Let's see. Have you got any of them?
Right, just throw all of them. Don't need to do them anymore.
That is crazy.
Right, last one. That's it, look at the camera.
Did you film it? That.
120-metre drop well at Dover Castle.
That is so deep. It nearly got to the lava then.
To the lava. I think it just goes down to the sea. Right, ready? Let's go out and find Mum.